Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Dodge Challenger NFS Unbound only way. Start by checking event timers and available car rewards immediately and prioritize the required race series. Save up the specified cash and tokens and enter every qualifying event that lists the Challenger as a prize. Use quick retries to improve placement and complete any community challenges that boost rewards, ensuring you meet all conditions before an event expires. Prepare by reviewing the event roster and noting exact entry prerequisites, including car tier and upgrade levels. Target the precise amount of currency and tokens required and avoid spending on non-essential cosmetics. If an upgrade is needed, focus on cost-effective parts that raise tier without overspending. Keep an eye on community goals that may reduce cost or grant bonus entry chances, and schedule play sessions around event windows to maximize attempts. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to support more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: for long grind sessions and sweaty steering wheel moments, grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh and distraction-free. It's a small comfort when chasing limited events and long win streaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Race smart by selecting events where your driving style matches the track layout and reward structure. Practice optimal racing lines, mastering drifts and boosts to shave seconds off lap times. Conserve nitrous for critical overtakes and avoid risky moves that cost position. If community or team challenges are active, communicate and time entries to hit shared milestones together. Consistent top placements across events are the reliable path to earning the Challenger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.